Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dia, and if you're new here, I make DIY and home decor content here on my channel. I know I have been MIA for a hot minute, but I am back with a brand new video. And in today's video, we will be making some DIY Christmas gifts. So if you are looking for some last minute gift ideas, or you're just feeling crafty like I am, then keep on watching. So our first DIY project is some candles, and I got this candle kit from Amazon. It came with a melting pot, some soy wax, a few scents. It also came with a few dye colors, which I don't really end up using, wick stand, and mixing stick. And lastly, I bought this jar from Dollar Tree, and I forgot to mention it did come with that little sticker as well, so you can stick the wick right on it. Now I'm taking the soy wax, pouring it into the pot, and in 3, 2, 1, boom! It's all melted. I wish it was that easy. Now I'm taking some vanilla scent and mixing it all up so it smells nice and delicious. Now that it's all mixed up, I'm just going to pour it into my jar and wait for it to dry. Alright, so now that the candle is all dry, I'm taking some cinnamon sticks from the kitchen, and I will be just putting it on top of the candle to get that extra nice smell from it, and it adds a decorative element to the candle. So I'm just taking another candle to melt the top so I can stick the cinnamon on it. And that's it. Now I'm just going to cut off the wick, and I'm adding a little twine as a decorative element to it. Obviously you can just leave it as it is, but I'm taking a twine to kind of wrap around the jar and make a little bow. And that's all for the candle DIY. I think it looks super duper cute, and I think you guys should definitely try it out. Alright, so for our second project, we are making some DIY mugs using the Cricut. So here I am just making my design on Cricut Design Space, and then taking some gold and black vinyl. I'm just cutting out my design. I am making it for someone, so I'm just cutting out their name so I can put it on the mug. Now that it's all cut out, I'm just peeling off the vinyl so I only have the design left on the paper. And then I'm going in with my transfer tape, making sure it sticks really well to the vinyl, so when I peel it off, the vinyl comes off with it. And now I'm just putting it on the mug. You can make any designs with it, so I'm just making it into her name, and yeah. So now that the vinyl is on, I'm just filling in the mug with some chocolates. I just wanted to make it look really cute with the wrapping. You guys can, go all out, maybe get a Starbucks gift card, or maybe some hot chocolate mix or coffee mix and put it inside the mug. I think that's gonna look super cute. But yeah, it's a very easy, simple DIY. I do know that you need a Cricut to do this, but if you guys know any friends who has the Cricut, definitely ask them if you could use it for some last minute gift ideas. And our last DIY for today is DIY resin coasters. For this DIY, you'll need some resin. I bought this from Michael's, some resin coaster molds, paper cup, and some gold leaf or mica powder. You know, these are just for the decorative element, and some popsicle sticks. So I'm taking part A and part B. It comes with 2 bottles, and you're just gonna have to mix it equal amounts. So what I'm doing here is I'm pouring them in 2 separate cups, making sure they're equal amounts, and then I'm just mixing them together. And make sure you mix it well until you see there's no bubbles and it's completely clear. Now I'm just dividing up the mixture so I can have 2 different colors. For the first one, I am mixing some gold leaf. You don't need a lot, a tiny bit goes a long way. For the second one, I'm using some pearl mica powder or mica powder. I honestly don't know how to say the name. And I'm just gonna mix it all up until my mixture is a nice glittery white color. Alright, so now's the fun part. I'm just gonna take my mixtures and pour it into the mold. I'm gonna pour half the white mixture on one side and the other half cover it up with the gold. And then you just have to wait from 24 to 48 hours for it to fully dry and 72 hours for it to fully cure. And that's pretty much it. And this is what it looks like when it's completely dry. It took about 24 hours for me to take it off the mold, and I think it looks super cute. I ended up making 2 because I did have some resin mixture left. I made some more off camera, and when I tell you I am obsessed with resin, I am. I think I'm gonna keep making them until I run out of my mixture. And yeah, I'm just gonna wrap them up all cute. I think they're such cool, nice gifts for anyone who loves and appreciates home decor. It adds such a nice personal touch, and you can even go in with the Cricut and write their names on it. I think it's a super easy, simple, and really pretty DIY project. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely let me know down below what was your favorite DIY. Mine has to be the DIY resin coasters. I think it just turned out so pretty. It was so easy to make and so satisfying at the same time. I also want to mention that if you are looking to shop for some similar products, then check out my description box below. I will be linking some of my favorite small businesses. So, shop local, support small businesses this season. And without talking anymore, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and also Happy New Year. I hope to see you guys in the next year. Let me know down below what kind of videos you want to see from me next. And like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until then, bye!